This 2019 Heartland Torque TQ T322 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, water heater, skylight, DVD player, awning, external shower, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Heartland Torque TQ T322 is 8,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.